Okay, hi children. In previous class we have learned numbers up to 10. 10 after numbers what will come? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers we have arranged in two columns, that is ones and tens column. You know very well how to arrange the numbers tens and ones column. Now let us go to the topic another one. Write the number in letters. Letters means number names you have to write for this number. What is this number? 17. Spelling of 17 you tell children. From UKG onwards you are learning the spellings. Only one like that number names you are learning. From 1 to 20. Maybe you are perfect. Now tell the spelling of 17. Okay. Repeat after me. SEVENTEN 17. Again. SEVENTEN 17. Okay, good. Next number, what is this number? 18. Okay. EIGHTEEN. Most of the children will use spelling 18. Double T they will use. No need to write here double T. Only one T is enough. Again repeat after me the spelling of 18. EIGHTEEN 18. Next number 14. FOURTEEN 14. Next again repeat FOURTEEN 14. What is this number? 19. What is number of 9? Spelling of 19? NINETEEN 19. What is this number? 20. Spelling of 20? TWENTY 20. What is this number? 9. Spelling of 9? NINE 9. Now again I will repeat this. Write the number in letters. Letters means you have to write the spellings of these numbers. 17 spelling SEVENTEEN 17. What is this number? 18. Spelling of 18? EIGHTEEN 18. What is this number? 14. Spelling of 14? FOURTEEN 14. What is this number? 19. Spelling of 19? NINETEEN 19. Next number, what is this? 20. TWENTY 20. Next number 9. NINE. I hope you understood these numbers and number names. Next going to the topic. Circle the correct number of letters. Means no need to write their spelling of 5. What is this letter? Only letters are there. That is alphabets A, B's. Okay. Circle the correct number of letter. What is this number? 5. Let us count this. And how many 5s will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us count. Circle the letter N in 5. What next number? 8. How many U letters we need? 8. Let us count U letters 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, circle U letter 8. Next number 10. What is this letter? M. M. 10 letters we need. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. M letters you have to circle 10. Next 11. What is this letter? B. How many letters you have to circle? B. Letters 11 you have to circle. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 B letters you have to circle. Next 12. What is this number? 12. What is this letter? E. How many letters you have to circle? E letters 12 you have to circle. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 letters we have to do circle. Next number 6. What is this letter? R. How many letters you have to do circling? 6. 6 R letters you have to do circle. Count letters, count R letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is very interesting topic. This one you call. Another one Trixie also. Okay. Now let us go to the another topic. That is before, after, between numbers. Now see here. Count the number of objects. Count the number of objects means here some pictures I have drawn here. These are only objects. And write the second circle. See here. This is two circles. Circle 1 and circle 2. Count the number of objects. How many objects are there here? How many? What are this picture? What is this picture? Kite. How many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites are there. And write the second circle. Second circle means this only. How many objects are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. In second circle you have to write 4. Write the number that comes just before it. Now count the object means you have to count the kites. How many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In second circle you have to write the 4. And what is before 4? Let us count in fingers, on fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 before what is this? What is this number? Again count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 before what is this? Okay, 3. Understood what I say? Count the number of the objects and write in the second circle. How many objects are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write that the objects. How many are there? 4. And you have to write before number. 4 before number 3. Again one more example. These are, what is this picture? Balls. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle 1 and circle 2. Count the objects means how many objects are there? How many balls are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write this 5 in the second circle. 5. And 5 before number what will come? Let us count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 before what is this? Again let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 before number 4. Okay. 5 before number 4. Again I will explain. Count the number of the objects means these pictures are the objects. How many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write that 4 in the second circle. And second circle what number is there? 4 is there. 4 before number what will come? 3. Again count the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to write this 5 in the second circle. And 5 before number what will come? 4. Topic is before numbers. By using the number line you can write the before numbers. Now here what is this number? 9. Where is the 9 in the number line? 9 is there here. 9 before number what is there here? Children, look at the number line. What is 9 before number? S. 8. And again 13 is there. Where is 13 in the number line? Here. 13 before number what it came? S. 12. Next 20. 20 before number what is there in the number line? Look at here children. Look at the board and see properly and tell the answer. Now 20 is there. 20 before number what is there in the number line? Okay. 19. Next number 11. What is there? 11 before number in the number line? Okay. 10. Next number 17. See the look at the number line. Where is the 17 number in the number line? Here. What is before 17 number? Yes, 16. Again I will explain. Before numbers means you have to write number before number. 9 before number what is given in the number line? 9 before number 8. Again 13 before number. See the look at the number line and tell the answer. 13 before number is 12. Again 20 before number 19. Yes. Again 11 before number. Where is 11? Yes. 11 before number 10. Again what is this number? 17. 17 before number what is there here? 16. Now another one. What is that one? After numbers. After means number after you have to write. What is after number here? Look at the number line. 6 after. In number line where is 6? Here. 6 after number 7. Next number 10. In number line where is 10? Okay, here it is there. 10 after number 11. Next number what is this? 9. Look at the number line. Where is the 9 number? 9 after what will come? 10. Next number 14. 14 after number what is there in the number line? 14 after 15. I hope you understood. By seeing the number line, you practice in your test book. I will send a pic. I will show the book and I will send a pic. Thank you, children. Okay, children, I am continuing the topic that is between numbers. In number line, how many numbers are there? 0 to. First, what will come? 0 only will come. 0 to 20. Now, 11 and 13 between what number is there here? Look at this number line. 11 and 13. 11 and 13. What number is that between? Yes, 12. Next, what is this number? 18 and 20. In number line, where is 18 and 20? Yes, 18 and 20. In between 18 and 20, what number is there here? Yes, 19. Next, 5 and 7. Look at the number line. Where is 5 and 7? Here, 5 and 7. 5 and 7 between what number is there? 6. Next number 14 and 16. Where is 14 in the number line? 14 and 16 between what number is there? 15. Okay, children, I hope you understood. I will go to the next topic, that is fill in the boxes and write the answers. Listen carefully this one. If you listen, then only you can able to tell the answers. Fill in the boxes. Here boxes are there. And write the answers. Now, dash is after 5. 5 after what will come? Look at the number line. 5 is there here. 5 after? See, listen carefully, children. 5 after number. Okay? 6. Next, 18 is after. 18 is after. Look at the number line. 18 after. Look at the number line carefully. 18 after what number is there? 19. Okay, good. Now 14 is before. Before 14 what number will come? 14 is before. 14 before what number is there? Look at the number line. 14 before 13. 14 is before. Look at the number line. Where is the 14 number in number line? 14. 14, which number before it is there? Yes. 15 before 14 is there. 15 before 14 is there. What will come here? 15. Yes. Dash is before 20. Before 20 what will come? 9. Before 20 what it is there here? 19. Yes, 6 is between dash and dash. 6 is there in the number line. And dash what will come? 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Okay, 6 is between 5 and 7. Look at the number line. 5 and 7 between what is there? 6. What will come here? 5 and 7. Dash is between 17 and 18. Look at the number line. Where is 17? Dash is between 17 and 19. Look at the number line. 17 and 19. What is there between? 18. Okay children, I think that you understood this. Look at the page number 16. Here some boxes are given: before, after and between numbers. Page number 16, before, after and between numbers. This is your homework. Page number 16, before, after and between numbers. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.